Let's see how we can make the first letter of a string uppercase and others lowercase in Python using Google Colab. We have the make the first letter of a string uppercase and others lowercase.python file open. We have the string input. The variable s is assigned this string, which is given in quotes. To check if this string is actually assigned to this variable s, we can print s. So we will write print, in parenthesis, s. We can run this code cell by clicking on this run button. We see that this string is actually assigned to this variable s. We want to see how we can make the first letter of a string uppercase and others lowercase. We will see two methods of doing just that. First, by using the capitalize function, and second, by using string slicing and concatenation. In Python, the capitalize method is a built-in string function used to convert the very first character of a string to uppercase and make all other characters lowercase. It does not modify the original string, but returns a new string. If the first character of the string is non-alphabetical, that is, it is a number or a special character or space, the capitalize function will not modify it. But the remaining characters of the string will be converted to lowercase. The syntax for the capitalize function is string dot capitalize parentheses. For our case, the string is s, so we can write s dot capitalize parentheses. This capitalize function will not modify the original string. We can assign this to a new variable, say ns. If we print this ns, we will get f, in uppercase, and the remaining letters in lowercase. We can again print s to check if the original string s is unmodified. So we will write print, in parenthesis, ns, then print, in parenthesis, s. We can run this code cell by clicking on this run button. We see that when we print ns, the first letter of the string, f, is uppercase and the remaining letters are lowercase. And when we print s, we get the original string given in the first code cell. So, the original string is unmodified. Next we will see how to make the first letter of a string uppercase and others lowercase using string slicing and concatenation. We can get only the first character from the string by using s in square brackets 0, because the string indexing starts from 0, so 0 will be the first character. We can make the first character uppercase by using the upper function. We can get the remaining characters by using s in square bracket 1 colon, that is all characters from the first position to the end of the string. We can use the lower function over this to get the lowercase letters, and then we can concatenate the two strings to get the first letter uppercase, and the remaining letters lowercase. So we can write s, in square brackets, 0, this will extract the first character from the string, and we want to convert it to uppercase. so we will write upper parentheses. This will convert the first character, which is F, for the string S, to uppercase, so we will get capital F. And to concatenate, we will use the plus sign. Second part is S in square bracket 1:. That is the remaining characters from the string S, except for the first character. We want these to be lowercase, so we will write lower parentheses. This will convert the remaining characters to lowercase. We can print this to check if we get the first letter uppercase and the remaining letters lowercase. We can run this code cell by clicking on this Run button. We see that we get the first character as uppercase and all the remaining characters as lowercase. And we can again print S, the original string, to check if it is unmodified. We can again run this code cell. We see that we get the original string S, so the string is unmodified in this method as well. With this, we have successfully learned how to make the first letter of a string uppercase and others lowercase using the capitalize function, and how to make the first letter of string uppercase and others lowercase using string slicing and concatenation in Python using Google Colab. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.